Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In a shocking move that's got the electric vehicle community buzzing, House Republicans have proposed eliminating key federal tax credits and advanced manufacturing loan programs for electric vehicles. That's right, folks. The future of EV mobility in the United States is under threat. Let's take a closer look at what's happening. The proposal to scrap the $7,500 federal tax credit for new electric vehicles and the $4,000 incentive for used EVs has been met with fierce criticism from industry experts and climate advocates alike. And it's not just about the money. This decision has profound implications for the U.S. position as a leader in automotive innovation. According to Bloomberg, the U.S. Treasury Department has already granted over $2 billion in sales rebates for electric cars in 2024. That's a staggering amount of funding that's supporting the growth of EVs across the country. But now, with the proposed repeal, all that support is being taken away. It's like pulling the rug out from under the industry. But it's not just about the federal government. President Trump himself has been a vocal critic of EV tax credits in the past, calling them part of a new green scam. And it looks like his second term in office is focused on scrapping these subsidies altogether. But what does that mean for the future of electric vehicles? The Advanced Technology Vehicles Manufacturing Loan Program has been instrumental in scaling up U.S. EV production capacity. More than $23 billion have been allocated to major projects, including gigafactories across the Midwest and Southeast. But now, Republicans are seeking to eliminate this fund altogether. This could have devastating consequences for investor confidence in the U.S. as a hub for EV innovation and production. China and the EU are already pressing ahead with coordinated electrification strategies, leaving the U.S. in a precarious position. And it's not just about the funding, it's about the principle of supporting American companies that are pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. Genevieve Cullen, president of the Electric Drive Transportation Association, has called this proposal catastrophically short-sighted. And we couldn't agree more. The U.S. needs to be at the forefront of EV innovation, not playing catch-up with our competitors. So what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? It's a warning sign that the industry needs to wake up and take action. We need to support policies that encourage investment in EV technology, not undermine them. And we need to make sure that American companies have the resources they need to compete globally. The clock is ticking, folks. The fate of U.S. EV leadership hangs in the balance. Will we step up to the challenge or fall behind? Only time will tell.